Hello guys, good morning. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-withdraw ng ating points sa Popolive through GCash. Ito, syempre una bubuksan natin ang ating Popolive app and pupunta tayo dito. Yan, dyan makikita natin yung account natin, coins and points. Tsaka iba pang mga ano ni Popo. Ito, pipindutin natin yung points natin. Tapos, nakita nyo naman yung points natin na 100,287 points. I-withdrawin natin siya through GCash. Withdraw now, i-click nyo yung withdraw now. At ito, dahil nabind ko na yung GCash ko, ayan, nabind ko na siya dyan. Pero may iba naman siyang options na pwedeng i-withdraw, hindi lang GCash. Makikita nyo dito guys, may 7 options siya, 'di ba? Pero dahil GCash nga ang aking binind, doon ko siya i-withdraw. And pindutin natin yung withdraw now. Ayan no. Tips. We are not responsible for checking account name. Please make sure your number is activated and valid. Dapat guys, i-make sure nyo na legit yung number nyo para ma-withdraw nyo yung pera nyo. Ayan. At ito yung withdrawable amount ko. $10. Ilalagay natin yung 10. So, submit. Withdrawal amount $10. Confirm natin guys. Ayan. Itong security password guys, before nyo mabind yung GCash nyo, si Popo mismo yung magpapalagay sa inyo ng password. Maggagawa kayo ng bago dyan guys ha. At ayan na guys, success na ang ating pag-withdraw sa Popo guys, no? Through GCash. So ayun na nga guys. Ngayon, i-check natin kung pumasok ba sa GCash ang ating withdraw na points galing kay Popo. Ayan guys. Pag open natin ng Popo, i-check natin sa notification dito sa message kung na-withdraw natin or na-issue na ba nila through GCash yung ating points. Ayan guys no, kung mababasa nyo naman, your withdrawal has been issued. Please check whether the funds have arrived on your account. So, i-open natin yung ating GCash app. GCash natin at i-check natin kung andyan na ba. At ayun guys, makikita nyo naman pumasok na sa ating balance yung clean name natin sa Popo na points. Ayun lang guys, thank you for watching.